Understanding Ship Maintenance, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, ship maintenance. If you're curious about what it means and why it's important, you've come to the right place. Let's set sail on this linguistic journey and explore the depths of this phrase. Ship maintenance is made up of two words, ship and maintenance. A ship is a large vessel that travels over water, used for transport, exploration, or as part of a navy. Maintenance, on the other hand, refers to the process of keeping something in good condition through regular checkups and repairs. So, ship maintenance is all about keeping a ship in top working order. Ship maintenance is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures safety. Regular maintenance helps prevent accidents and emergencies at sea. Secondly, it's about efficiency. Well-maintained ships run more smoothly and use fuel more effectively. Lastly, it's a matter of longevity. Regular upkeep extends the life of a ship, making it a wise economic choice in the long run. There are different types of ship maintenance, including 1. Routine maintenance, regular checks and minor repairs. 2. Corrective maintenance, fixing specific issues or breakdowns. 3. Preventive maintenance, actions taken to prevent future problems. 4. Predictive maintenance, using data to predict and prevent potential issues. Each type plays a vital role in keeping a ship operational and safe. Ship maintenance is usually carried out by skilled professionals known as marine engineers and technicians. They use various tools and technologies to inspect, repair, and maintain different parts of the ship, from the engine to the hull. With advancements in technology, ship maintenance has become more efficient and effective. Modern ships are equipped with sensors and diagnostic tools that help in predictive maintenance. This technology-driven approach not only saves time but also reduces the risk of unexpected failures. I hope this video has shed some light on the world of ship maintenance. It's a field that combines practical skills with cutting-edge technology, all to keep these massive vessels afloat and functioning. Remember, whether it's a ship or any other complex machine, regular maintenance is key to safety and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.